How to create a standard chartered online banking account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a standard chartered online banking account. To do so, first of all, you'll need to visit the online banking page of Standard Chartered Bank. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, in the search bar, type in sc.com. This is the official URL of Standard Chartered Bank. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, now you will be taken to the official website Standard Chartered Bank. Once you reach to this page, here at the top left, you'll be able to see different options. Click on this online banking option and you will be presented with this pop-up. From here, you will need to select your country or the local website. Once you select it, now you will be taken to a new page. In this page, here you'll be able to see open an account option at the top right. Go ahead and click on this option, and by doing so, now you will be presented with this interface. Here you will need to choose whether you want to create current account, saving account or fixed deposit account. You may also scroll down and find the accounts here. Once you find the account that you would like to create, click on the Apply Now button at the right side of that account. Once you click on it, you'll again be redirected to a new page. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to fill in these details. Enter your full name in this field. And once after entering your name, enter your phone number and then enter your email address. After doing that, here, now you will need to scroll down and then click on this OK Next button at the bottom. Once you click on it, now you will need to enter some more information about yourself. Answer the questions given here. After that, here you will need to provide your date of birth, choose a branch and select the time. Once after selecting them, click on the OK Next button at the very bottom. Once after doing that, you will see you have successfully submitted the request for creating an account on Standard Chartered Bank. Now you will need to wait for the response from Standard Chartered Bank in order to successfully open your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an online account on Standard Chartered Bank. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.